Hey guys, I'm Ash. You are watching SavvyAshTech. Today I will be showing you how to actually export or render a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. Although it's really simple, you only have to know how to work with it. Now let's open Adobe Premiere Pro and see how it works. Here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, I already have my complete edited video. For further use, we can save this file. To do that, we have to go to the file and click on save as. You can save it here. You can see the extension is PRPROJ. That means it's a Premiere project file. You should keep it as it is. Click on save here. Now if we want to render it, then we have to go to the file here, then we can go to the export and click on media here. There is, you will be seeing most likely the format here is 264, which is a great format. Right here measures high bit rate, which is most likely good to go. To change the output name, click here and give it a name. I'm giving it a name, edit, and save this file where you saved previous file and click on save. Here see the edited output name. We are almost done. Finally, to start rendering, click on export here. You can see it start rendering. The rendering is completed. Now you can find this video where you have saved the file. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a subs to the channel would be phenomenal. See you in my next video.